Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to add transition in CapCut apps. Tap on project and select your videos or photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to select several photos. So to add transition, you are just going to click the transition icon between the clip. So just click on it. So appears the transition. Just select transition that you like, for example. So you can apply to all the clip and you can adjust for the duration of the transition. Just click check mark after done. Alright, add more, apply to all the clip, click check mark. So you can see that's it. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.